The Senate passed a facility improvement financing. It's now an act of Parliament. We expect the revenue that is being collected in this referral hospital to go towards further improving service. I know you have asked whether this facility is operating as a true level 5. I would say it's not yet operating optimum, but there is marked progress in terms of the equipment that has already been deployed. And with that Facility Improvement Financing Act, that also builds their capacity to be able to address other challenges. Other than waiting for resources from the county, they should be able to utilize the resources that they are going to generate, because the law now allows them to spend at source. The money they collect here, they can use the money to improve the facility. Maybe county, that at least we are aware as a committee. We are investigating a number of matters that touched on patients that have been handled in Nairobi and finally referred to Kiambu. There are patients from other neighboring counties that also come to this facility, and therefore they need to improve the facility and resource it with human resource.
We have interrogated, and they have said before strike there are 30 deliveries. But now, since strike, there are almost none, which is taking place there. So I'm asking myself and asking Kenyans, where are our women delivering? Are they delivering at home? That's the question.